How to whiten your teeth naturally in just 1 minute. We will need rice. Put 2 tablespoons of rice in an electric grinder. Grind the rice well until it becomes a powder. Rice whitens the teeth and removes the yellowness from them. Sift the rice powder to get a fine powder. Put 2 teaspoons of rice powder in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Lemon juice whitens teeth and eliminates bad breath. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil eliminates black spots on the teeth. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix the ingredients well. Brush your teeth well with this mixture for 1 minute. Focus on the yellowing and dark spots on your teeth. The yellowing will go away, and the tartar will fall off your teeth. You will have white and shiny teeth like pearls. For best results, repeat this recipe 2 times a day. Second recipe, we will need 1 bag of green tea. Empty the contents of 1 green tea bag into a bowl. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste. Add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients well. Brush your teeth well with this mixture. Brush your teeth in circular motions until the yellowness disappears. Use this recipe 3 times a week.